Okay, so welcome. This is a basic introductory video to Google Forms, and I will be taking it through to you step by step. Starting with the LISD main page, going to Staff, and clicking on Google Apps. You will be asked to log in. I have already logged into this computer. I can tell that I'm logged into my LISD account by the image up here. The Google Forms look something like this. Here's a few examples. I have a conference log. I have a SSR progress check that a student might complete after reading. And then I have my student interest survey. There's all different types of questions you can ask, feedback responses that you can get. So this will be the goal. After going through and logging in, this is the basic Google Drive introduction screen, and you want to hit Create. Your options under Create include Spreadsheet and Form, and they are tied together, but if you click on Form, you are going to get a basic form screen. I always like to start by titling my form, and I may call this one Test Form. There are a few settings here, such as requiring Louisville ISD login to view the form, automatically collecting Louisville ISD username, and showing progress bar at bottom of form pages. Click as you need. A couple other options up here. We have change theme. If you want to make it look pretty, you can pick a different theme and it'll give you the theme. You also have options like if you want multiple people to work on your form with you, you can do that. If you want to send the form or get a link to view the form. But really, you're not going to use a whole lot of these options up here. Most of your editing is going to be done down here. So I'm going to keep my form, or keep my theme. I'm going to go back to edit questions. Alright, so I think when building a form, the most important is going to be the name. And I always like to do separate categories for it. Last name, and you want that to be text. Up here you have an edit, a duplicate, and a delete. I would duplicate this one. Now there's my last name. Then I would go first name, and I would duplicate again, and I would do student ID number if this was going to be a student ID form. But really these things are super important when separating your data. Also, I would recommend, if it's for students, putting together a class category. And so I might do something like class period. And you can make this multiple choice because you want them to all be the same. And you might have first, second, and I'm hitting tab key by the way, third to move down the form list, and then save. So this will really help you organize whatever data you're going to gather after that. If you need to move, say, student ID number to the top, it's as simple as clicking and dragging. If you need to add a new item down here, there's multiple things that you can add. If you want to do a page break or a section header or an image or a video, you can add these things right in the middle of your form. If you click on the add item, it's just going to add another question, and your options are going to be the text, the paragraph text, the multiple choice, the check boxes where they can check multiple, choosing from a list, scale, grid, date, and time. And most of the time it's going to be these top four that are going to be your most popular. Okay, so once you get your form together the way you want it, once you set your theme the way you like it, click on the View Live Form button. This is your form. This is how it appears to people who go there. To share this form with people, simply copy the link and paste it on your Edmodo page or put it into your email. If you want to just write it on your Blackboard, there is a wonderful service called goo.gl. This is a URL shortener. When you paste your long link here, it will shorten it and give you a short link here, and that's really easy to write on your smartboard if you want people to have a quick link access. Okay, that's the basics for creating and sharing forms. Once people begin to enter their data into your form, in order to view the data, you will just view responses. They come in as a spreadsheet, and you can see the section headings up here, and you can sort by last name, first name, however you want to sort it. You can add new sheets down here, but Google Sheets will be a different walkthrough. The goal of this video is just to show you how to create the form, or get to the Google Docs, create the form, set up the form, and share the form. So I hope that helped, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me.